Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer money from people to your Binance. So if you're going to check some of the tutorials on YouTube, most of them tells you that you need to go to actual PayPal page. As you can see right from here about the cryptos, you can buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency. But the problem here is this feature is only available in US. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically transfer money from people to Binance with this alternative way. So first up, go to Binance account, and here make sure that you have the verified account to be able to follow these steps. If your account is not yet verified, then you just need to go to dashboard. So for example, here, if we're going back to page or your profile page, you just need to go to dashboard and just have to follow the instructions and get ready with your valid ID to verify your account. Next, once your account is verified, you need to link your PayPal account to a bank account. So this will allow you to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. So as you can see, we're not going to send money from PayPal to Binance directly. Instead, we're going to send the PayPal money to bank account or your credit or debit card. So for example, here, if I'm going to log in my account on PayPal, and here you can basically link your PayPal account to your bank or credit or debit card. Now, once you link your credit and debit card, then you can now purchase any crypto in Binance. So basically here, if we go back to Binance, for example, if you already have your credit or debit card, then basically here, what you're going to do is just click on the buy crypto button right there at the top right. So click on the buy crypto. And then here, you just need to enter the amount that you want to buy, for example, 50 USD. And then we can basically go to pay with, and then we can go to fiat payment or the card, and then click confirm. So what you're going to do here is you just need to enter the information on your credit or debit card. All right. So click on the add new card button right from here. So enter the name, then the card number, expiry date, and some of the information. And then you can buy your crypto. So we want to link your PayPal to credit card. So to do that, go to PayPal page and then go to pay and get paid section right from here at the top. And then basically go and click on banks and cards. And then at the very bottom, you'll find some options here if you want to link your bank or link a card. So in this case, I'm going to click on link a card. And then what you're going to do once you click on this one, you'll basically enter the information on your debit card, card type, expiration date, and security code. And then you can basically click on the link card button. So once you enter your information, then your money from people will automatically send into your bank account or credit or debit card. So once you receive money on people, it will send your bank or a credit or debit card 24 hours later. Once you have your credit and debit card, you can now basically use the card to buy crypto on Binance. And then once you've done, you can now go to Spot Wallet, and then your crypto will now be available. So actually, if you don't have your credit or debit card yet, you just need to go and search for it and just type, for example, apply for a credit card. So depending on your country or location, then you will find a bunch of some website here where you can get your credit card. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.